Okay, Matthew, here, take your dirty shorts. Go put them in your hamper. Good job! Yay! Here's a dirty sock. Go put that in your hamper. Go put that in the hamper. Yay! Here, take your other dirty sock. Yay! Good job! Here, we have a couple more. Take your sock. Go put it in the hamper. Uh-oh. Yay! Here. You have 2 more socks. You want to put them together or you want to do a separate? And do both of them? Yay! Yay! Good job! Good job! Matthew. Matthew, say bye-bye. Can you do bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Okay.